A poll commissioned by some progressive groups found a majority of Minneapolis voters want to replace the current police department. 56% of those surveyed say yes, they would like the Minneapolis Police Department replaced with a new Department of Community Safety. 30% said no and 14% were undecided. The survey comes before a vote Wednesday by the Charter Commission to decide whether to put the issue before Minneapolis voters in November.
If we change the charter, we'll have the chance to thoughtfully and gradually move emergency response for things like mental health crisis, domestic violence, and overdoses out of MPD and hand them over to teams of experts who are really the best folks to handle them.
The Charter Commission could also vote that it needs another 90 days to study the issue, which would mean missing the August 21st deadline before getting it on the ballot.
A change in the Minneapolis Charter would take the input of everyone in the city to ensure public safety for all. Reg Chapman spoke with the lead city council person about what a Department of Community Safety and Violence Prevention would look like.
Ward 4 City Council person Phillipe Cunningham says he is pushing for a public health approach to public safety.
Building a comprehensive approach to public safety where law enforcement plays a role, but it's right-sized.
Cunningham says right now officers answer calls that are related to mental and chemical health challenges. He would like to allow police to focus on policing and create other systems to handle the needs of the community.
It does not defund the police. It does not abolish the police. What it does do is that it creates a system, a department that mirrors that of the state of Minnesota, to have a department of public safety with a division of law enforcement services within it.
Cunningham says that would give room for mental health counselors, social workers, and boots on the ground community organizations to step in and deal with calls for help with addiction, domestic violence, and other intervention and prevention needs.
And that's what we want to build here.
First, input from the people of Minneapolis.
We are going to go out to the community as a city and do very in-depth engagement to be building these co-created new systems of public safety.
Cunningham says people can help be a part of the solution with this recent uptick of crime in Ward 4 by taking part in the community conversation that will usher in a new era of policing in Minneapolis. Reg Chapman, WCCO 4 News.
Cunningham says this process will not take days, weeks, or months. It could take years. He thinks that a new Department of Public Safety would roll out closer to the beginning of 2022.